Emergency alert system is now activated. Okay, emergency alert system is now activated. This is not a drill. Please read this and it's for your safety. An unknown creature called as jailbird has been found on a Fukushima prefecture. The details are unknown. For your safety, please make sure read this before the emergency alert system ends. For your safety, please read these instructions before it's too late. Please hide by the grass shelter immediately. Stay on the grass shelter until 30 minutes of max. Have food and drinks. Do not get starved or get thirsty. If you see the creature, run away as soon as possible. Do not interact with the creature. Repeating, please hide on the grass shelter immediately. Stay on the grass shelter until 30 minutes of max. Have food and drinks. Not to get starved or get thirsty. If you see the creature, run away as soon as possible. Do not interact with the creature. The SCP Foundation is trying to work with the solution as we can. That's the end of the broadcasting today. Have a nice day.
Hello, on the NHK Newsline. Apparently, there's a creature, unknown creature called as a Jambird. It's now been escaped from USA, and now Japan is out of state of the emergency broadcast system. Tokyo and Ishikawa is now under emergency alert system, and Iwata is now at stay-at-home order. Now we are going live footage on Ishikawa Forest camera, and we could see there was a picture was going on, and this picture took on 3 a.m. and the creature looks at the camera. An emergency alert system is now activated. Repeating, emergency alert system is now activated. This is a restricted alert for the New Zealand Nationwide Emergency Alert System and Japan Nationwide Emergency Alert System. This is the administrative warning by the Japan Emergency Alert System. Please read this, and it's for your safety. We wanted to apologize what kind of the emergency alert system was happening. Apparently, it wasn't a hijack, which was made by the hijacker and hijacked by the New Zealand Emergency Alert System and the Japan Emergency Alert System. Apparently, Jambird is not an actual creature. She's still at the Secure Foundation, at the Tokyo Secure Foundation. Again, we are sorry about the apology. I hope you will understand about the frustration.